Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Tracey, a dentist in Pomona who is trained to treat snoring and sleep apnea, a condition where you stop breathing when you sleep. This can last from a few seconds to over a minute and can occur several times an hour. If you feel tired during the day, doze easily, snore, you may have sleep apnea. Untreated, sleep apnea can lead to diabetes, heart disease, strokes, car accidents, and yes, divorce.
Snoring and sleep apnea may be treated with a simple dental device. For information, call Dr. Tracey at 362-2200.